When we think about home defense, most of us picture high-tech systems or fortified walls, but did you know that nature can be just as effective? Tactical landscaping involves using defensive plants to protect your home from intruders. Today, we'll explore how to turn your yard into a natural defense system using prickly, thorny, and dense plants. This is an easy, practical, and beautiful way to enhance your property security while blending in with nature. First, let's dive into the types of plants you'll want to consider. Cacti, blackberry bushes, and hawthorn are some of the best options. Their thorns act as a natural deterrent, making it difficult and painful for intruders to navigate through your yard. For example, blackberries offer a two-in-one benefit. Not only do they provide a dense, thorny barrier, but they also yield delicious fruit. Placement is key for effective tactical landscaping. Focus on planting these defensive plants near your home's entry points, under windows, along pathways, and around fences. This creates a natural, impenetrable wall. For example, firethorn or holly, with their thick, spiny branches, can add an extra layer of defense under windows, while roses or cacti can be used to guard fences or gates. Another great tactic is to create layered defenses by planting multiple rows of thorny plants. The more layers, the harder it becomes for anyone to breach your property. For areas with high foot traffic or visibility, consider using visually appealing but defensive shrubs like barberry, which combines beauty with defense thanks to its dense, sharp thorns. Also, consider adding prickly plants to areas that are often overlooked by intruders, such as corners of the yard or around sheds. Plants like yucca or agave are great for these spots, providing a natural deterrent without too much maintenance. To wrap up, tactical landscaping offers an effective, low-maintenance way to boost your home security. Cacti, blackberry bushes, firethorn, and hawthorn are just a few of the plants you can use to create a natural barrier. Focus on placing them near windows, along fences, and around potential entry points to maximize their defensive benefits. By layering your plants and strategically placing them around your property, you can make your home much harder to breach while still enjoying a beautiful, natural environment. Now that you know how to use prickly plants for home defense, it's time to take action. Assess your yard and identify areas that could use a natural barrier. Then start planting. Not only will you boost your home security, but you'll also create a unique and sustainable landscape. Stay prepared, stay safe, and let nature do the hard work for you.